Welcome back to the Rev Hard Garage. We have our DC2 Integra Type R back from paint. Engine bay got painted, looks awesome. A lot of our parts have showed up. We'll go over those a little bit, give you a little update here. We remanned our lower subframe that we got, repainted it black. Axles have been redone. The big challenges with this car in particular is the axles. We ordered some from Australia, and that was 2 months ago, so we have no idea where they're at. Other things we're going through that we're gonna replace, all new suspension components. In previous video, you've seen there's a lot of rust on a lot of the different stuff under the car, so all of that's gonna get replaced. New driveline components, we got clutch, flywheel kit, as well as our trannies getting new fluids and a little refresh itself. A lot of the engine stuff, as you can see, engine got a lot cleaner than it was last time. All the maintenance components, a lot of that stuff is already done. We're getting new valve cover, as we showed you last time, timing belt, oil cooler, oil pickup, mostly all the stuff that can potentially fail and or we just want brand new. Another big thing was motor mounts. They were all completely destroyed. You might have seen that in the previous video. New rubber across the board, hoses, vacuum hoses, radiator hoses, you name it, it's getting replaced. Headers, aside from the cast headers, we went with stainless steel, nice tubular headers. More suspension stuff, we decided to go with some Tyne Street Advanced Z coilovers. Little stuff like this. In particular, this is a coolant tube, goes on the motor, as opposed to old coolant tube. Makes a big difference in appearance. Oil pan's been redone. We decided to go with the new intake manifold by Skunk. AEM fuel rail, refurbished fuel injectors, fuel pressure regulator, blocks, throttle body, and of course our shiny new valve cover. More stuff was our Skunk 2 radiator, all aluminum. Our other one was so corroded it decided to fall apart. Aside from that, a lot of it is just cleaning up, redoing the harness, retaping, cleaning all the connectors. A lot of the suspension stuff still needs to come off and get done. A lot of the things with this car that make it a royal pain in the ass. Everything is rusted. It came from the UK. A lot of the bolts are rusted. A lot of the nuts are rusted. Even a lot of the brake line components are rusted. All of those are gonna get replaced with brand new zinc plated stuff. So that should make our car look quite a bit better underneath the hood, as opposed to just having a really nice paint job and then nothing. A whole bunch of rusty bolts and everything else. So stay tuned and we'll see you next time. You know what? I bet this has a lot more rust than we think it does, but they don't make this anymore. So yeah, that ain't right. Actually, I'm gonna waste like 2 or 3 hours trying to figure out what this is. All right.